Hi, I'm Nathan Rose. I specifically created this channel to help personal trainers, fitness, weight loss, and health coaches make more money online using a specific platform. In my 23-year career in the fitness industry, I've never seen anything like this. I was fortunate enough to come across this platform by one of my clients, and now I want to share it with you. But before I share with you what it is, let me share with you what it's not. It is not network marketing or MLM. It is not crypto or day trading, and it is not affiliate marketing. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever recommended something to your client and even emailed it to them, but they still didn't get what you asked them to? This has happened more times to me than I like to admit. Now, to ensure that this never happens again, here's what I have for you. Your very own custom online store. Why am I sharing this information for free, you might ask? Good question. Simple. I get paid by the platform as long as your account stays active for 3 months. If you cancel before then I don't get paid. So I will show you how to make your first few sales to cover the cost of the platform, and then how to make more money so that you keep your account active so I get paid. So it's in my best interest to share with you all my insider secrets so that you are very profitable and keep your store active for months and years to come so I get paid. It's a win-win. First, I will show you how to create a customizable store with 20 of the best-selling winning products so that you're very profitable and your own branded products in just 30 minutes. And it's a win for me because I will show you how to continue to make sales so you keep your account active so that I get paid. I wish this existed when I first started training, but hey, it's here now, and I will show you how to do it step by step. I will also show you how to create your own branded products with your logo in just minutes. So do 2 things for me. First, follow me on my Instagram account, Nathan_A_Rose. And number 2, subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications so you get notified every time I drop a new video. And by the way, if you want to scale your store to replace your income, I can help with that too.